Sunday morning, and we're going to the top of Knob Hill in Slate Valley.
In the morning when
we're at the beginning of the trail. We just came off the road, and we're gonna start hiking.
oh, you fill my lungs with sweetness, and you fill my head with you. Shall I write it in a letter? Shall I try to get it down? Oh, you fill my head with pieces of a song I can't get out.
This is Cody that's coming on an adventure. We started walking and we found some rabbit tracks. These are dog or coyote tracks, and we think they're after the rabbit over there because we found rabbit tracks.
Where the fields are painted gold and the trees are filled with memories of the feelings never told. When the evening pulls
We're gonna go up this mountain right here.
and the day is almost through. Oh, the whole world is sleeping.
Check out the awesome view already. And now the fun begins.
Can I be close to you?
That is where we came from a couple of minutes ago. We're almost there. We made it. Check out this beautiful view.
Can I be close to you?
So right now I'm taking the old man's beard and getting some sap on it, because the sap and the old man's beard helps light the fire and get it going really well. I'm just gonna quickly show you my setup here. I have old man's beard covered in sap. Then I have some birch bark, and then some little sticks, and then some medium sticks, and then bigger sticks. And then I cleared a spot so that we can put a fire there. And so I found some birch bark, and I'm just gonna set some birch bark in there. And then I take the old man's beard covered in sap and put it on top of the birch bark. And then I found some dry sticks. I know that they're dry because they're easily to snap. The ones that you can't really snap, that means that they're wet. So I just take some sticks and set them on top. And now I have a lighter in my pocket. Don't forget to feed your fire so that it keeps going, but don't overfeed it. or else it will die. When you're done with your fire, don't forget to put it out. That was the hard part of the hike. Now it's just an easy walk home. We found dog prints or coyote prints with blood.
Like those nights we used to know. I'm alright, I'll let you go. After the long winter.
That was it for this video. Nice hike, beautiful fire, yummy marshmallows. Bye!